Hello guys, today I'll show you how to fill up this model of disposable nasty bar. There's no ways to open this in any way. It's got a seam at the bottom, but it is extremely difficult to get in there. So what you basically need to do is you got to unclip this. So this mouthpiece needs to be unclipped, and then you push it backwards. So you push it all the way that side. It takes a little bit of pressure. So if you put enough pressure, you can take it off. Then on the inside, you'll see there's a small little hole right there. And there's another one right there. So if I take this printer filling needle, you'll see I'll be able to push it in there. So because it's very cold here, I prepared this cup and my syringe with a little bit of warm water, and I put it there and I soak it a little bit. Because the colder it is, the more difficult it is to inject the juice into your vape. So after soaking it a bit in the warm water, I attach my needle to fill the printer cartridge. You can use a thick needle, preferably a thick one, and don't try to suck the juice in with the needle attached. It's gonna take forever. So then you find your little hole there and you push it in softly. Then you slowly fill your vape, and as you fill, you pull out your needle a little bit, you fill some more, you pull out your needle a little bit, you fill some more, and you pull out a little bit, and you done. Alrighty, so I get some more juice. Soak it in my warm water, and it doesn't have to be long. Okay, that should do it. Then I attach my needle, if I can stop shaking. Then I do the other side, find the little hole. Be careful not to damage, because there's a little tube there. Don't damage that little tube. In between the rubber and that tube, and you push it down, whoop. Then you fill it again. Once again, slowly. And as you fill, you pull out your needle like, let's say 5 mil at a time. 5 millimeters at a time. According to the amount that you are putting in. Okay, it's almost done. And there you can see discoloration of the sponge right there. So you can see that it is sucking up the juice. So right, let's move this out of the way. So I've got this little cloth here, and you'll see that This mouthpiece has got a small little notch there, which it doesn't have on the other side. So the side that doesn't have the notch goes this way. So put it in there like such. Make sure that your notch is on this side. It's a little key that goes in there. I just hold it upside down like this. Give it a little tap until it snaps. And there you go, pops your uncle. It will show that it's empty, but it's not. So you can just charge it and carry on until it starts to draw a bit more laboriously, or when you can taste, okay, now it's tasting a bit burny. Don't fill it after that, just chuck it. Have a lucky day.